Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the converter in the Bitscreener application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just scroll down a little bit and in the shortcut section you will find the converter option. Just press on it and here you can basically just convert things like USD from euro, basically currency types. You can convert one currency to the other to see the value differences. Now you can just use the Bitscreener converter like up there. You can just select one of these coin types and select the other, and you can see basically the price difference or the value difference for that matter. If you want to convert, for example, USD into euro, you can just press on it and you can see that 1 USD is how much euro exactly. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.